How many of you guys are checking your smartphone, you're watching TV, you're surfing the internet while you eat dinner? I know I'm guilty of this, and I try not to do this, but I find myself doing it actually quite too often. But I want to tell you a few reasons why this is actually a really bad habit and how it can cause some weight gain. First, studies show that when you are paying attention to your smartphone, your TV, whatever the device may be, you actually make unhealthier decisions. The reason behind this is that you're not as cognizant of your food decisions, and you tend to go for the pizza, the big pasta. You go for these foods that are very calorie rich and that are going to make you feel happy and feel like you're enjoying that social media, that sports game that you're watching, and you're not really paying attention to the calories. The next point is that you're gonna overeat. So I find myself very guilty of this. I know if I'm watching TV and I cook myself some chicken and rice with vegetables, I know that I'm probably gonna eat a little bit more than I probably should, just because I'm not focused on what I'm doing, and my brain is kind of just passively eating and eating and eating, and I don't really notice that I've gone through an entire plate and I've gone through seconds and thirds of this food. When you actually sit down and you focus on your meal, you tend to eat less and to make healthier choices simply because of your awareness. With less distractions, that means you tend to eat a little bit slower, which will send signals to the brain that I'm fuller faster, and that will in turn lead to less caloric intake. So next time you find yourself binge eating after watching a whole entire marathon of Suits or whatever TV show you like, try to be cognizant of the fact that you might be overeating and just sit down and focus on what you're eating. I hope you gained some value from this, and see you in the next video.